Hi, I'm Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to replace a toilet chain. Now, the toilet chain is the portion of the toilet where the handle connects to the flapper valve, and you can see that as you bring up the handle, that's what pulls the flapper open that allows it to flush. If you notice that the flapper maybe isn't staying up long enough or it doesn't seem to seal, it could be that this chain doesn't have enough slack in it. These are typically either stainless steel or made of plastic, and there's an adjustment. So you can see that there's little loops on this chain where you can adjust onto this hook that's on the end of the arm of the handle. You can either adjust this so that it has a little bit of slack, like you notice it should move about 2 inches, or if you want to shorten up the rise, there are holes on the actual arm that you can adjust, which will give you that kind of perfect slack. And it might be something that you have to do trial and error, but once you flush it and you see that no water is leaking and that you're getting enough water flowing into the bowl, then you're set. You shouldn't have to play with it ever again. Adjust it the right way, put the top back on, and you're finished. And that's it. If you'd like more information, please go to acehardware.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll find more helpful videos. Or better yet, go to your local Ace Hardware store because Ace is the helpful place.